Class 8th student, chapter number 4 of computer, part 4. Next topic, adding a new row or field in the design view. If you want to add a new row or field in the design view, how we are going to do it? Select the table in the navigation pane. First of all, click on the view button in the home tab and choose design view option in the appearing drop down menu. Click on the view button in the home tab and select the design view option in the drop down menu. Place the cursor below the field where you wish to add a new field. Like this. Place your cursor below the field which you wish to add a new field here. In the design tab, select the insert row option from the toolbar. You can insert like this. Blank row will appear and the new blank row will be inserted before the selected row, and you can name and define the data type and properties of the new field. Whatever new field you want to add, just write it name, data type and a property, and it will be there on the screen. In this way you can do it. Secondly, deleting a row. If you want to delete the row, select the row you wish to delete. Click on the delete row button in the design tab under tool group and see the changes. Now, so first of all, select the row which you want to delete. Click on the delete row button in the design tab under the tool group and you can see the changes there. Okay, like this. Now, sorting data within a table. If you want to just sort the data inside a table can be sorted with respect to a particular field in either descending or ascending order. Which is data is there inside a table, it can be sorted with respect to particular field in ascending order or descending order. What are the steps that we have to follow? Select the field you wish to sort. Select the field according to which you want to make the sorting. Click on the drop down menu arrow next to the right of the field and either select smallest to largest or largest to smallest. In this way, select is largest to smallest as smallest to largest. Click on either sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Observe the change. When you will click OK, you can observe the change. Last, open an existing database. If a database is existed, we can just how to open it. Open MS Access. Go to file menu and select open. Just like this. Go to file menu and select open. Select the desired table from the dialog box. Whatever table you want to just add, you want to change, just open it from the dialog box. Selected database will be opened in MS Access. Whatever database you will select, it will be opened in MS Access. With this topic, our chapter number 4 completes of computer. Do the question in your notebook and start learning. Thanks a lot for class.